Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to today's video. I just wanted to know that our community is about to hit 2K subscribers, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope this video and the openings are beneficial for all of you, especially for the freshers. देर नहीं करके स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने यही बात बोला था कि आप लोग जो वीडियो देखते हैं उसके साथ सुन भी लीजिए करिए। तो वहाँ पे मैं ऐसा बताता हूँ कि फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रोल फ्रेशर्स आर नॉट एलिजिबल। तो फ्रेशर्स के लिए कौन से रोल होते हैं, तो आप अगर ये वीडियो देखने के साथ साथ मैं जो बोलता हूँ वो सुन लेंगे तो शायद ये आपको वो बेनिफिट हो जाए। लेट्स गेट बिगिन विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले। आज का ओपनिंग में काफ़ी सारे ओपनिंग जो कि है फ्रेशर्स के लिए है, और कुछ ओपनिंग्स है जो एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट के लिए भी है। The openings is in regulatory affairs, medical writing, scientific writing, formulation and development, research and development, QA/QC, production, upstream and downstream bioprocesses, manufacturing, and scientific writing, medical affairs, medical communication, medical information delivery wells, and scientific communication. Okay, so openings at Sanofi Global Hub as a scientific writer. This role is particularly for expert and the senior role. Here, an MS or MPharm with minimum 3 years of relevant experience people can apply. So this is the email ID where you can send your resume. The candidate should have the exposure in scientific writing, publications, manuscripts, posters, abstracts, and slide decks, etc. Felix Generics Private Limited, Pithampur location. They are hiring for this below roles: QC, Technology Transfer, Warehouse Department. In QC and Technology Transfer, B.Pharm or MSc freshers can apply. For the Warehouse Department, BSc, MSc with 2 to 4 years of experience are required. Candidate should be presentable and the candidate should have good communication skills. So I'm coming to the next openings. That is Indoco Remedies Limited is hiring for QC microbiology, BSc, MSc microbiology with 2 to 5 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. The candidate should have to perform the MLT test, water analysis, environmental monitoring, and media preparation for this Goa location. Sun Pharma, Baroda location has openings in API R&D. So the candidate with MSc in organic chemistry and 1 to 5 years of experience, relevant field, can apply to the given mail ID. ImmunoAct, it's a part of Immunoadaptive Cell Therapy Private Limited. They are hiring for an associate scientist role. MPharm or MSc with 2 to 4 years of relevant experience can apply to the given mail ID. The role is particularly for the Navi Mumbai location. Sava Healthcare is hiring for DRA roles such as executive and assistant manager position. MPharm or MS with minimum 4 years of experience field can apply to the given mail ID. Newland Laboratories is hiring for these below roles: production and QC HPLC. For this production, BSc or BPharm freshers can apply, or up to 4 years of experience candidate can also apply. For this QC, MSc, BSc, BPharm freshers and up to 6 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail ID. This is for Telangana, Hyderabad, India location. Hetero Labs is hiring for formulation, analytical research and development, injectables segment, liquid injectables and complex injectables, where MPharm in pharmaceutical analysis and MSc in analytical chemistry with 1 to 5 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. Area of work would be in analytical method development, handling of HPLC, GC, UV, and IR. This is for this Hyderabad location. NSRTC is hiring for MS and T, that is tech transfer. MPharm with 4 to 5 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. This is for Kutch, Gujarat location. Amaris Clinical is hiring for medical writers, where any life science graduates with 1 to 2 years of experience in the BABE CRO can apply to the given mail ID. Candidates should have exposure to clinical study protocol, ICD, CRF, and knowledge of test license and BASNOP application is required. One pharma manufacturing company in Indore is hiring for freshers in MSc and BSc chemistry people for their manufacturing facility. Interested candidate can share their resume to the given mail ID. Syngene International is hiring for biopharmaceutical segment. MSc, BSc with 1 to 2 years of experience. Candidate can apply to the given mail ID. Candidate should have the exposure in upstream and downstream development, cell culture, microbial assay, and production. Here, BTech or MTech in biotechnology can also apply for this Bengaluru location. Sava Global is hiring for an executive in research and development. OSD, topical, nasal, all three segment, they are hiring. So MPharm with minimum 2 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID for this Pune location. Vida Clinical Research Private Limited is hiring for PV QA role for this Ahmedabad location. MPharm MSc with 1 to 2 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. IPCA Laboratories is hiring for QC roles. BPharm with 1 to 3 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. If you are interested in medical writing role, then you can apply to this given mail ID. So any MPharm or MS candidates with minimum 2 years of experience can apply for this particular role. And coming to this last opportunity for this week, that is Indigen is hiring for medical and scientific communication writing. So medical information, publication writing, medical affairs roles, and multiple. So MPharm or MS mainly with 2 to 8 years of experience, candidate can apply to this given mail ID. For this particular role, with MPharm, PhD and postdoc candidate also can apply. So I wish you all the best and thank you. Some good videos are on the way. Will soon will be released and thank you. Thank you for your support.